Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Miss Optimistic. Hope you guys are having a great, wonderful Sunday afternoon and have a happy day. And a happy holiday and happy new year as well. So let's go ahead and get into this stimulus talk about money matters on the Sun, the US Sun, from this website of the US Sun. Now, money matters. Two big December money changes, including direct payments up to $914. Do you need to take action? Now, they published this December the 1st, and this is now December the 4th, but it's all factual and it's all legitimate. Come December the 30th, taxpayers are set to see the first of two major money changes. The first change is the cost of living, COLA, which will impact supplemental security income SSI recipients. Now, since SSI recipients received two payments in December, the second payment will reflect the increase in average of $914. Recipients will receive two checks in December because the January 1st, 2023 payment falls on a Sunday and is a holiday. Additionally, beneficiaries of Social Security and Social Security Disability Insurance SSDI will also be affected by this increase in 2023. The next change is to the gift check tax exclusion, also known as the annual exclusion. And as of right now, this exclusion lets folks give up to $16,000 without being subject to the gift tax. However, next year that limit increases to $17,000. Future Perfect Planning President and CFP Kristen, I don't know how to pronounce the name, Guglielminetti told Yahoo Finance Live that people giving larger gifts may want to take advantage of the new policy. You may want to give part of that gift this year and part of that gift in January in a few weeks and take advantage of the $17,000, Christina said. And there are four types of gifts not subject to gift tax. Gifts to political organizations, gifts to certain exempt or charitable organizations, gifts that qualify for the educational exclusion, and the gifts that qualify for medical exclusions. Other important changes in 2023. The IRS also announced changes to the new standard deduction for 2023. The standard deduction is the number of tax deductions you can subtract from your income before you must pay taxes. This means that taxpayers won't have to pay taxes on certain income they make. The IRS recently announced that it will be adjusting the standard deduction and federal income tax brackets for 2023 due to inflation. This means that the tax bracket you're in now could change. For married couples filing jointly, the new standard deduction for 2023 will be $27,700. This is a boost of $1,800 from the 2022 standard deduction. The single taxpayers and married filing separately, the 2023 standard deduction will be $13,850, a $900 boost from the 2022 standard deduction. If you are expecting to be in a low bracket next year, it may be beneficial to delay some income to next year if possible. For those expecting to be in a high tax bracket in 2023, you may want to delay some tax deductions until next year. The IRS has also lowered the reporting threshold for third-party payments such as Venmo, Cash App, and PayPal. Before 2022, the IRS said Form 1099-K was issued for third-party payment services if the total number of transactions exceeded 200 for the year and exceeded $20,000. Now, a single transaction over $600 may trigger a 1099-K reporting requirement. Just note that any money received through third-party payment services from friends and relatives as personal gifts or reimbursements is not taxable. Those who receive a 1099-K reflecting income they didn't earn should call the issuer, as the IRS will not be able to correct it. the IRS will begin processing 2022 returns next year, and is warning Americans that this may cause their federal income taxes and federal tax refunds to take longer than others. 3 one-time payments, bonus payments between $500 and $13,500 going out in December. Will you get your help by Christmas? Plus, applications open today for, which was December the 1st. Today is December the 4th. So as we know it right now, they may still be open. Plus, applications open today for $1,000 one-off direct payment from 1.2 million pot. See if you are eligible. Now, that is it for the news right now on the 2 big December monthly payments changing, including the direct payments up to $914. It says, do you need to take action? This video is about that for the December payments, you guys. So I hope you like and subscribe and comment down below. And word of inspiration, stay focused. Don't let anyone knock you off your pedestal. You always will be able to have some type of inspiration on my channel, because I love to inspire people to keep going. So hopefully you guys will come back to my channel, like, subscribe, comment down below, say hello, new subby, and come join the optimistic crew. Come on, join on, you guys, where there's a lot of great resources, a lot of legitimate resources, a lot of great content dealing with work from home careers, and also just come back. I will see you guys on another video. Bye. Have a great day.